कविगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। ॐ हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्त्रैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुं सत्सनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। कीर्तन
गजानना हे गजानना नमो नमः श्री गजानना।
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 ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।
सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। प्रथमेशाय नमो नमः।
सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। प्रथमेशाय नमो नमः।
गजानना हे गजानना नमो नमः श्री गजानना।
गजानना हे गजानना नमो नमः श्री गजानना।
अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। श्री जगदीश्वर नमो नमः।
अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। श्री जगदीश्वर नमो नमः।
गजानना हे गजानना नमो नमः श्री गजानना।
गजानना हे गजानना नमो नमः श्री गजानना।
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।
लंबोदराय नमो नमः। विघ्नेश्वराय नमो नमः।
लंबोदराय नमो नमः। विघ्नेश्वराय नमो नमः।
गजानना हे गजानना नमो नमः श्री गजानना।
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 ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। गजानन स्वामी की जय। Namaskar everyone, and welcome to the Hindu Prachar Kendra's Sunday morning satsang. It is always a pleasure to have you join us for satsang. I am reminding you right away to help us to grow our virtual satsang family by sharing our links now if you have not done so as yet. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube pages and to like the Hindu Prachar Kendra's Facebook page. That should be the YouTube channel. I have to say the correct terms. So we hope you have had a blessed week and your ongoing observance of this Chaitra Navratri is inspiring you in the very best of ways. Continue to be strong in your devotion and your sadhana so that you can become truly empowered by the many traditions that we observe during this time. So our countdown is on. Last week was our 50th virtual satsang. Today it is number 51. And our hope is after 52 weeks, it means 1 year of virtual satsang and renovations at the Kendra, that we will be back at our newly renovated mandir. And we are currently working on putting all the technical requirements in place so that we can continue virtual satsang from there, because I got so many messages this week, and from time to time I do get these concerns expressed. Are you all going to stop virtual satsang when you go back to the mandir? So we will, of course, maintain virtual satsang for as long as we need to do that. And we certainly look forward to many of you joining us in person on Sunday mornings as much as it is possible. So our Hindu calendar, it continues to keep us quite busy and on track, because as Navratri will end, we will have Sri Ram Navami this Wednesday, and then following up next week, the following Monday, it will be Hanuman Jayanti. So this morning, it's all about Sri Ram Navami and worship of Bhagwan Sri Ram. So on Wednesday, if you are not able to attend the celebrations and the sessions that are being organized at the different mandirs, you can view the last half of our satsang at the midday hour, which is when Sri Ram Janam will take place on Wednesday. So it will help you in your ritual and your worship. So talk today will be a lot less. We will have more bhajans, more chants, the stotras, and of course a couple sohars. And we will do the same for satsang number 52, which will be next week Sunday for Hanuman Jayanti. But before we begin with praises of Bhagwan Sri Rama, it is only appropriate that we do one bhajan in praise of the Divine Mother. I want to remind you that our brand at the Kendra for our Vasant Navratri, which is this Chaitra Navratri, we would have had a huge utsav going on, 5 special sessions, that our brand is close and intimate with the Divine Mothers. So whatever sadhana you are doing, whatever you are following, it should take you closer to her. It should take you to that powerful divinity, which is actually getting closer to your own self, to your own divine potential. And remember, as we shared last week, all these occasions, all these traditions, everything that we do, that we practice, they are like portals to self-discovery. They are pathways that can take us to self-discovery. So let us instruct the mind appropriately in this bhajan in praise of Mother. Mere man ke andhatamasame jyotirmay utaru. Very beautiful bhajan for reflection. We are talking about the mind, that this mind, it is andha, blind, there is darkness, and we pray mere man ke andhatamasame jyotirmay utaru. Oh, may there be light in my mind. Enlighten me, O Mother. So all of those Rakshasas and Asuras, they are the embodiment of ignorance. So we pray to Divine Mother. We get close to her, intimate. And we pray, asking her to destroy all terrible potentials that are there in the mind and let us be enlightened. We join with Krishna Ji.
Jai Jai Ma, Jai Ma,
Jai Ma, Jai Ma,
Jai Jai Ma, Jai Ma,
Jai Ma, Jai Ma,
Jai Ma, Jai Ma,
Jai Ma, Jagadambe Mata Ki Jai. So very beautiful bhajan, and we continue with a beautiful simple chant. Shantaji starting us off with our worship of Bhagwan Sri Rama. You can listen just 2 lines of kirtan that she will be chanting. Follow along, engage yourself, be prepared to worship and to receive Bhagwan Sri Rama as we will observe Sri Rama Navami.
Hare Rama 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 Sita Rama Rama Rama
Sita Rama
Hare Rama 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 Sita Rama Rama
Siyapati Ramachandra ki Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
So very beautiful. We will do now one of our traditional stotras because we are going to celebrate Shri Ram Avatar, and this is a stotra, the Das Avatar stotra, praising and honoring Bhagwan as Das Avatar, the 10 manifestations. It is one of the sections of the Gita Govinda. It is a masterpiece of the poet Sri Jayadev, and in this we are saying, "O Bhagwan, you are Jagadish, you are Lord of the world, and we are in need of your grace, we are in need of your mercy, your compassion, your blessing. Please protect us." And certainly our world is in need of the grace of Bhagwan. So if you are not able to follow, we've shared the copies, these 10 verses, several Sanskrit the lines are there. You can simply join in Jaya Jagadisha Hare. And we all know this from the Aarti, so you can certainly sing along with us. So we chant Das Avatar Stotram. Pralaya Payodhi Jale Dhrutavanasi Veram Vehitra Vahitra Charitra Makhiram Harikeshava Dhruta Meena Sharira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Hari Jaya Jagadisha Chitirati Vipula Tareta Vateshtati Prashte Dharani Dharanakena Chakra Garishte Harikeshava Dhuta Kacha Paruga Jaya Jagadisha Hare Hari Jaya Jagadisha Vasati Dashana Shikhare Dharani Tavalagna Shashini Kalanka Kalevani Magna Harikeshava Dhuta Sukara Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Hari Jaya Jagadisha Tava Kara Kamala Varena Khamadbhuta Shringam Dalita Hiranya Kashiputanu Bringam Harikeshava Dhuta Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Hari Jaya Jagadisha Shalayasi Vikramane Bale Madbhuta Vaman Paranakhanira Janita Jana Pavan Harikeshava Dhuta Vamana Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Kshatriya Rudhira Maye Jagara Apagata Papam Snapayasi Payasi Shamita Bhavatapam Harikeshava Dhuta Dvigata Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Hari Jaya Jagadisha Vitarasi Dekshurane Dekpati Kamaniyam Dashamukha Mauli Valimaramaniyam Harikeshava Dhuta Raghupati Vesha Jaya Jagadisha Hare Hari Jaya Jagadisha Vahasi Vapushi Veshade Vasanam Jaladabham Halahati Bhite Siyapati Ramachandra ki Jai. Jai Shri Ram. So it is a stotra that takes a little time, but it's so beautiful. And it, of course, honors the 10 avatars, Dashavatar. And we are looking at Sri Ram avatar this morning as we look to this Wednesday for the observance of Sri Ram Navami, which, like Navaratri, is about celebrating an ideal. It is about acknowledging a possibility, a potency that exists in each one of us. Sri Rama took avatar as a human being and lived like all of us, having to navigate through this world, through this samsara, rife with countless challenges, and he has shown us how to traverse, how to cope, and how to overcome. So Sri Ram Navami is very pertinent now more than ever because of the prevailing world conditions that demand our very best behavior and character. It's not by chance that Sri Rama was called Maryada Purushottama Rama, the one who is ideal in every way, the one who is of the finest, the best, the most ideal character and conduct. So he is, like we say, a trailblazer when it comes to discipline and sacrifice. And we have all listened to numerous kathas. Think about it. How many kathas have you listened to? The Kaliyaji, we are all lovers of Ram Katha, of Sri Ramchatmanas. So we have listened to countless, numerous kathas on how he successfully endured and completed a 14-year exile that was thrust upon him through no fault of his own. And it is just like what? This pandemic that we have to go through right now. It has been thrown at us, and we have been thrown into a different kind of banwas, a different kind of exile with lockdown and restrictions. And this has brought with it so many difficulties and frustrations. And it is getting more challenging now because we have just moved into a period of further lockdown. So this auspicious day of Sri Ram Navami, it has great meaning and great relevance to all of us during this time. And it places several principles before us. It's about rejuvenation. It's about awakening. It's about recommitting that divine potential that is inherent within each one of us. It is calling on all of us to awaken and engage that. So many values, many principles. We are going to focus on just one this morning because less talk and more of the pujas and the chanting. So we have seen recently, actually, Sri Ram himself in the Bhamini Shavali Katha, he said what? Take one value, one principle, and work on it. So I want to tell you that you need to be a PI. If I say PI, what does that mean? Private investigator. Oh, look, Pravesh ji is looking at me. Pi Productions, Pravesh and Ish. So, PI. This morning it's about PI. And yes, it actually involves a kind of private investigation of one's own self. But this PI, it is about being a positive influence. Being a positive influence, as Sri Rama was wherever he went. And whatever the dire circumstances, he was a prevailing positive energy in that space and in that circumstance. Now we are going to sing 2 Chaupais this morning. The 2 Chaupais, we are almost certain to hear it in every Sri Ram Navami observance. So this is the first one, and it actually identifies and gives the reason for Sri Rama Avatar. So let us join to sing this together, and we'll see the lesson. Sing with us. Jaya Ram Shri Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Rama Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama. Jab jab hoi dharma kai hani, dharma kai hani, badhahi asura adhama abhimani, adhama abhimani. Jaya Ram Shri Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Rama Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama. Taba taba Prabhu dhari bibidha sarira, bibidha sarira, harahi kripa nidhi sajjan pira, sajjan pira. Jaya Ram Shri Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Rama Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Ram Shri Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama. Boliye Siyapati Ramchandra ki Jai, Jai Shri Ram. I think every time I come across this word Sajjan now, I always smile because we have talked about Sajjan so many times before. And I hope you remember, Sajjan means a good person. This is what everything is about, all of our dharma. It is about being a good person. So easy to say, so challenging to actually do. So this Chaupai, we hear it at every Sri Ram Navami around this time. When Jaba Jaba Hoi Dharma Kai Hani, whenever there is a decline of dharma, Badhahi Asura Adhamma Abhimani, and there is an increase in terror and all things that are destructive, Taba Taba Prabhu Dhari Bibhira Sharira. What happens then? Bhagwan manifests in different ways. Harahi Kripa Nidhi Sajjana Pira. To what? To bring relief to the distress that would be plaguing the earth and plaguing all the good people. Now it is this dharmic potential and the renewal of it that we all celebrate every Sri Rama Navami. We are to become, and we celebrate when we come before Bhagwan, who is taking avatar, we are to become the agents of the avatar. Because in the upholding of dharma, we play a very important role. It will become possible only through us and what is there within each one of us. So, you know, when they say become, you'll be my agent, become a good agent. We have a child here who's she's started working for an insurance agency. Well, this is guaranteed what? Good insurance. So if you become an agent of the avatar, and this has to do with how we view ourselves in relation to all of this, and it brings this, you know, into focus every year. We must be of a certain mental condition to be what? PI. To be a positive influence, we must be of a certain mental condition. And Sri Ram Navami, observing Sri Ram Navami, it is about nurturing that mental condition. The foundation of a positive influence, being a positive influence, must be what? About the establishment of dharma, as we just sang in this Chaupai. So very quickly, we have given many definitions before of dharma, and here's just a quick one that I'm sharing with you as a reminder, taken from Mahabharata, where Bhishma Pitamaha is speaking to Yudhishthira. Prabhavarthaya bhutanam dharma pravachanam kritam yasyat prabhava sanyuktaha sa dharma iti nischayaha. Just to remind you what dharma is about. It is so vast. This is putting it simply because it is one of those words that we cannot translate and explain very easily, the concept that is dharma. But here's a good idea. That which ensures the welfare of all beings, not just human beings, of all beings, that is surely dharma. And who are the ones who have declared so? The rishis have declared that that which sustains everything and everyone, it is dharma. And it is this principle that we should allow to impact our lives on the day of Sri Ram Navami. Just as Bhagwan Krishna would have said to Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita, but nimitta matram bhava savyasachin. Arjuna, become the instrument through which dharma will be established. So let us see the next Chaupai that we are always hearing around this time. Jaya Ram Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. Navami Tithi Madhumasa Punita Masa Punita Sukala Pacha Abhijita Hari Prita Abhijita Hari Prita Jaya Ram Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. Madhya Divasa Ati Sita Naghama Sita Naghama Pavan Kala Loka Vishrama Loka Vishrama. Bolo Jaya Ram Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Ram Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. Boliye Siyapati Ramchandra ki Jai. Jai Shri Ram. So just after Doha 190 of Balkand, these Chaupais will come from. The time you hear Navami Tithi Madhumasa Punita, you know it is now describing the conditions the state of things for Sri Rama to take avatar. And I've only sung one. It's a collection of 4. So you can go. I know many of you would have the Ramcharitmanas at home. So from Balkan, Doha 190, you can read on the day of Sri Ram Navami and even a little before. So what it is saying, it was the 9th day of the bright half of Chaitra. We are in what Navaratri? Chaitra Navaratri. It's the month of Chaitra. And the conditions were in perfect harmony. Beautiful. There was perfect balance. It was not too hot, not too cold. There was a cool, gentle breeze. The plants were in full bloom. And see, later down the waters were described like Amrita Dhara, like nectar. So pure and so beautiful. And there was a kind of enthusiastic energy that prevailed in the world. Such were the beautiful conditions that would be in a state of readiness, where you are ready to receive the avatar. So for Sri Ram Janam to take place, there has to be what? A kind of preparation of oneself. Now we can take this description at 2 levels. I'm just going to do this and then we are going to get into our ritual. At 2 levels. One is if you're looking at the condition of the environment, the surroundings and the world, we will see what we have done to Mother Earth, to nature. So that's one thing. Totally out of balance and out of harmony. A lot because of what? Man-made issues and problems. So we have plundered and we have destroyed. So there's this imbalance. So that is one level. So the second, it is about our own internal landscape, if we can just use that term, our internal landscape, that it has to be in balance. It has to be in harmony. There cannot be agitation. There cannot be vices. Everything has to be in a state of balance. And when this is happening, when this takes place, we become the source of something that is positive. We become the source of something that is beautiful. We become the source of something that is encouraging, because we will be conscious of our own divine potential. In that same Doha 190, it says, Rama Janama Sukhamula. The simple, we can just take these 3 words or 4 words. Rama Janama Sukhamula. The birth of Sri Rama is the source of all joy. The root, Mula, the root of all joy. If you have not listened to me well this morning, just take this. I hope you have been listening though. Rama Janama Sukhamula. Allow this to be the influence for you, that you be the source of something positive, the source of joy, the source of change. And this is the perfect way to say that you are indeed celebrating Sri Ram Navami and celebrating Sri Ram Avatar. So as we get ready for that, I'm going to ask the Kaliyaji to really lead us in his celebration. Right there in your home right now, it is like Ayodhya. Even here in our mandir, in our satsang hall, it is like Ayodhya. We are all waiting with great expectation. So this Sohar, well, the Kaliyaji, this is not really Sohar. Sohar we are doing after. But this one, folk Geet, it celebrates the feeling and the emotions of the people of Ayodhya. So let's celebrate.
Ayodhya Ajananda Bhaye,
Ayodhya Ajananda Bhaye,
Ayodhya Ajananda Bhaye,
Kaushalya ko janme Ram,
Ayodhya Ajananda Bhaye,
Ayodhya Shri Ramachandra ki jai. Well, you know, I think the Kalyaji wanted to get up and dance, and I think it put us in a wonderful mood of being that festivity, that celebration, that heightened expectation. And I was just looking at the words in this beautiful book that Rukminiji compiled on the Janma Gita. I see everything is golden. The Palana is golden, the Mahal, all of that, but we only have this lakri made of wood. But guess what? The gold is one's own heart and mind. So I'm going to ask Veda ji, Chaya ji, and Bhavani ji to come to just participate and lead us in the puja. Simple puja we have organized just as we did last week. I know many of you appreciated our sharing for you to worship at home. So we have the washing of hands. So whoever is leading the puja, we always start with purifications, wash hands, chirke, the whole space. And whenever you are washing your hands and doing the purification, you shouldn't allow it to fall on the Vedi and on the worship space and so on. So be conscious of these things. So washing of hands. For Hasta Prakshalan. Om Hasta Prakshalanam Samarpayami. Om Hasta Prakshalanam Samarpayami. Harihi Om. Take water, Achman. Om Amritopastar Namasi Swaha. Om Amrita Pidha Namasi Swaha. Om Satyam Yashaha Sri Mai Sri Srayatam Swaha. Wash hands. Hasta Prakshalan Samarpayami. Harihi Om. Take water, sprinkle all around the whole space where you have prepared. If you have the Sri Ram Murti, you may not have the Palana like we do, but I'm sure you would have organized. So chirke around the space and everyone. Om Apavitra Pavitro Va Sarvashtangato Apiva Yasmaret Pundari Kaksham Sabahya Bhyantaram Suchi Harihi Om Ramaya Namaha. Take now Chandana. Om Sri Khanda Chandanam Divyam Gandharyam Sumanoharam Vilepanam Surashreshtaha Sri Khanda Chandanam Prati Grahyatam. Om Shri Ramaya Namaha. Gandha, fragrances, you can offer the essence, you can light incense and so on and offer. Om Gandha Dwaram Duradharsham Nitya Pushtang Karishinim Ishwarigam Sarvabhutanam Tami Ho Pahvaye Shriyam. Om Sri Sugandham Samarpayami. You can offer now mala if you have prepared, malarpan. You can offer flowers and also some tulsi dal, the tulsi leaves. So make these offerings now, mala or flowers or both if you have, and the tulsi leaves. O Malikari Sugandhini Mala Ityadini Vai Prabhu Maya Hritani Pujartham. Om Sri Pushpanim Prati Grahyatam. Om Sri Tulsi Dalani Samarpayami. Om Sri Pushpani Samarpayami. Now we will have the offering of Arati. And for the offering of Arati, we are having one of the traditional sohars now. You might know at least the verse of this. So remember, when you offer the Arati, if you do have a palana, the cradle at home, you can jule the palana. We'll also gently do it here as well.
Rama ke mathvati kuliya bahutani ke lage lago. Rama ke mathvati kuliya bahutani ke lage lago. Lalana Kaushalya ji godiya khelawat palana jhulawat go. Lalana Kaushalya ji godiya khelawat palana jhulawat पलना झुलावत हो राम के मथवा टिकुलिया बहुत नीके लागे लगो राम के मथवा टिकुलिया बहुत नीके लागे लगो पलना कौशल्या जी गोदिया खेलावत पलना झुलावत हो पलना कौशल्या जी गोदिया खेलावत पलना झुलावत हो रामा के मथवा टिकुलिया बहुत नीके लागे लगो रामा के मथवा टिकुलिया बहुत नीके लागे लगो ललना कौशल्या जी गोदिया खेलावत पलना झुलावत हो ललना कौशल्या जी गोदिया खेलावत पलना झुलावत हो
बोलिए सियापति रामचंद्र की जय. I just have to say this because honesty is always best. We were having such challenges with the RT because the AC is blowing directly on it, and we were just trying to focus on getting that done. But no problem. These are like the little challenges that we have to face because, you know, the diya, what? It's a struggle, what? To remain with that light. That's the lesson. That's what we have been sharing. So if we were a little distracted, it's because of that. But I think it was also important because it allows us to share that value, that to keep your light going, what? There's always struggle. And I want to ask you for 2-3 minutes more because I really want to share one of our beautiful local compositions written by Ravi Ji, mostly for use in our camps and with our children. It's actually about 30 years ago that this was written, and it celebrates Bhagwan Sri Ram. Very simple. You can follow 3 English words. Call him Ram, because after Sri Ram Janma, what comes a little while after? The Namkaran, the giving of the name. And the name Ram, Sarveshu Ramante iti Ramaha, in whom everything finds great joy. That one is named Rama. So let us join Jo Anand Sindhu Sukharasi. And you can continue with the arti. Jo Anand Sindhu Sukharasi, Si Karate Trailoka Supasi, So Sukhadham Rama Asanam, So Sukhadham Rama Asanam, Akhila Lokadayaka Visharam, Akhila Lokadayaka Visharam, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram. Call him Ram. He who is bliss,
call him Ram
he who is all this,
call him Ram
he the Brahman,
call him Ram
he the champion,
call him Ram
call him Ram, chant his name, Raghukula Ram,
Ayodhyapati Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram,
Follow.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram.
The whole wide world
Call him Ram,
said the Guru Bol,
call him Ram,
all in Ayodhya,
call him Ram,
all for Dharma,
call him Ram, call him Ram, chant his name, Raghukula Ram, Ayodhyapati Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram,
ki jai. Jai Shri Ram. And we join in our closing mantras. So stay focused, collect your thoughts as best as you can. And we always pray for everyone and everything. And we certainly, in our prayer, I ask you to remember all those affected by the erupting volcano. So many are facing distress in so many different ways. We pray, we ask Bhagwan's grace and blessing for everyone to be able to cope and manage, even as we pray for that for our own selves. Om Durjano Sajano Bhuyat Sajana Shanti Mapnuyat Shanto Mucheta Bandhebhyo Muktas Shanyan Vimochayet Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisha Gobrahmanebhya Shobhamastu Nityam Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva. Tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva. Tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva. Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. Om Dyav Shantir Antariksha Gum Shanti Prithvi Shantir Apaha Shantir Aushadhaya Shantir Vanaspataya Shantir Vishve Deva Shantir Brahma Shanti Sarvagum Shanti Shantireva Shanti Sama Shantiredhi Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. प्रेम से और जोर से जयकार बोलिए गजानन स्वामी की, श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की, उमापति महादेव की, जगदम्बे माता की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, सियापति रामचंद्र की, गोस्वामी तुलसीदास की, ट्रिनिडाद और टोबैगो देश की, बोलिए श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय. Jai Jai Sitaram. So thank you all for joining us in satsang this morning. Remember the last part of our satsang. You can use this again on Wednesday at the midday hour for Sri Ram Navami as we celebrate Sri Ram Avatar. We look forward to you all joining us on Sunday morning, 1 week from today, when we will have satsang for Hanuman Jayanti. Have a blessed and productive week, and remember to follow all the required disciplines. We are in a lockdown again, so maintain good discipline. Namaskar.